Welcome to this episode of Decoded AI and Pharma. Today, we'll explore how Microsoft Copilot can be used to create a project plan that ensures no critical activity is missed as per regulatory and internal guideline expectations, using the commissioning and qualification of a Lyophilizer in a pharmaceutical manufacturing site as our case study. In pharmaceutical projects, timing, scope, and coordination are everything. Strong planning ensures activities stay within budget and schedule while aligning every stakeholder from engineering and validation to QA and production. A well-structured plan minimizes rework, avoids delays, and ensures that all compliance-related tasks are built into the project scope from day one. A great project manager looks beyond timelines and deliverables. They evaluate the regulatory framework, site accreditations, and quality governance. They clarify the project's technical boundaries, define ownership across functions, assess risks, and reference internal SOPs and templates. All of these considerations ensure that the final plan is realistic, compliant, and fully aligned with organizational goals. In our example, a production-scale lyophilizer is being installed at an FDA and EMA-approved facility. Before production can begin, the equipment must undergo a complete commissioning and qualification process, fully compliant with Annex 15, CFR Part 11, and the site's validation master plan. Our objective is to create a project plan that is not only efficient, but also aligned with guidelines. Here's the optimized prompt that we used in Microsoft Copilot. It defines the role, the validation project manager, and the compliance intent to create a full C and Q plan covering every lifecycle phase. This prompt ensures that Copilot includes QA review gates, risk updates, change control, and training activities automatically, generating a structured plan that's ready for execution. When we run the prompt, Copilot generates the project plan. It covers every phase from project initiation to final handover, breaking each into detailed steps: protocol preparation, QA review, approval, execution, reporting, and archival. This is an excerpt from the generated plan. Each activity includes the responsible function, deliverable, SOP reference, and realistic start and end dates. Notice how QA review and approval steps are built into every stage, ensuring full traceability and governance. The result looks just like a plan created by a seasoned validation manager. The AI-generated plan mirrors a true GMP project schedule. It embeds QA review gates before execution, SOP references for traceability, and risk and training activities throughout. Start and end dates are automatically calculated based on logical dependencies, and change control and document archival steps are built in. After generating the base plan, we can use Copilot for further analysis. For example, we can ask Copilot to suggest ways for optimization using this prompt. Let's see Copilot in action. Copilot has suggested combining internal and QA reviews to shorten approval cycles, preparing training material in parallel with PQ reporting, and pre-scheduling QA resources to remove bottlenecks. These AI-driven adjustments improve efficiency without compromising compliance. This case study highlights 4 major takeaways. First, role-based prompting ensures no compliance steps are missed. Second, Copilot delivers speed without compromising quality. Third, iterative interaction with Copilot can provide deeper insights and analyses, enabling continuous improvement in project planning, scheduling, and overall management efficiency. And finally, this approach can scale across all GMP-regulated activities, from equipment qualification to process validation. Thanks for watching.